Hello, my name is Scott May, and this is my introduction video for EDL. Hello, my name is Scott May, and this is my introductory video for EDL 955. I am currently working at USD 265 Goddard Public Schools in a pre-K through 4 building as the principal, serving about 475 students. In Goddard, we have 5 elementary schools, 2 intermediate schools, 2 middle schools, and 2 high schools, totaling about 6,000 students. My concept for this particular class is, or what I hope to learn really, is just more management type skills when it comes to facilities and grounds, and then also just apply the knowledge that I gain to future planning, apply it to things like progress and bonds, things like that. And then also I always like to get more insight on how we can make our schools safer. So safety and security is definitely something I hope that we cover. My experiences is I have gone through a bond in a previous district and where my building went under extensive remodel. So there was a lot of facilities and management that had to take place there. And then I've had some really good experiences with transportation departments and really janitorial staff. In USD 265, our buildings are impeccable. I've never really seen any place quite like the way that they're maintained, and the facilities are maintained and actually managed on a day-to-day basis. So I've had a really positive experience with those things. And then as far as safety and security in our district, we are lucky and fortunate enough to have a district police officer force. So that really helps with just the safety and security piece and helping manage that whole situation. And they really take the lead on all the safety and security issues that we tend to run into on a day-to-day basis, and then also that preparation and planning piece. So that is my introduction video. I look forward to learning more and interacting with everybody. Have a great day.